sometimes manifestation stops working because disappointments taught your body not to expect too much. People talk a lot about positive thinking, but very few talk about disappointments. The kind of disappointment which slowly changes the way you emotionally relate to life. Like when relationships fail, when your plans collapse, or maybe when business becomes unstable. These situations make your nervous system become very cautious. That's why people are not really negative sometimes. They are just protecting themselves from future pain. And that made them struggle to manifest.